Today we have here a pretty much brand new 2020 Hiace 200. This guy wants a full exhaust. Let's see what they have. From what we know about the Toyota IMV program, this is a continuation. So the Hiace, Innova, Fortuner, Hilux all share the same basic underpinning. We know that the engine, that the 2.8 is the same as the 2.8 Fortuner. The turbo, everything the same. So we already took out the downpipe. So yeah. Even this mounting point is the same. From the looks of it, this thing seems to be about 225. It's small. So we're changing it to our downside here. This one is 275. This is the size that's going to make power on the 2.8. A 2.5 pipe or a 3-inch pipe actually doesn't make any power. So 275 is the magic sweet spot for this engine. So this part will be doing it 3 inches, then the rest of the exhaust up to there. We'll also be doing everything in 3 inches, and then we'll be using a Borla muffler for it. So this Borla muffler goes here in place of the stock muffler. So you can see it's a bigger 3-inch in diameter too. And as you come out here to the back, the exhaust, as you can see in stock form, it's a bit hidden. What the customer wants is, of course, to let everybody know he has an exhaust. So we'll be doing a dual tip setup. It's gonna come through here. It's gonna come out, jet out here a little bit. Have 2 big tips over here, so have a little bit of visual flair. That's the lapo part about the exhaust. You pay a lot of money, and then the only thing that you see is about 1% of all of it, which is basically the exhaust tip. So we'll try to get this done later, and then after we'll put it on the dyno again. pag na-tono to, lampas 200. Ah. Okay, this is the result of our full exhaust on the very new Hiace. Baseline a while ago was 157. We did the baseline when the car came in stock, no nothing, 157. Then we added our 3-inch exhaust and 2.75-inch downpipe, and this is what we got. 168. That's peak to peak at 3,200 RPM. But the biggest gain is here from 154 to around 164. So that's 20 horses right there at 28 RPM. And here also at the bottom end we went from 138 to 154. So what does that mean? Konting tapak lang, nisibat na. Torque here also from 440 here at 22 RPM. It's now at 500. So that's 60 Newton meters. Sigurado ramdam yan. And it sounds a bit deeper and nicer too. Hindi na sobrang tahimik. So, good modification.